Hi guys, it's Denise with Simply Love Soaps, and today we have an unboxing. This unboxing comes from Megan at the Butterbean Shop. I started watching Megan probably, I want to say it was like a year and a half ago, something like that. And she had a soap that I was very intrigued with. But when I went to go online for it, it was sold out, and it has taken her forever to be able to get the fragrance oil in for this soap. So when she posted the video showing that she had made it, I was like, ooh, I'm not gonna wait, I'm just going to go and get me that soap. So let's take a look at what we have here. Well, oh, super cute. It says Butterbean Shop, thank you, enjoy your goodies. Cute black paper. Let's see if I can do this without tearing. Sorry if my voice is cracking or screeching. It's allergy season here, and I'm paying for it. Oh my gosh, guys, do y'all see that? I did not tear. Oh my word. I'm excited. I have a little note. Let's see here. Oops. She handwrote a little note. Oh, well, thank you. I'm surprised she knew that it was me, because my purchases are under Deborah. Well, maybe it's Deborah Simply Love Soaps. She says that, thank you so much for your order and support. I absolutely love watching you create. I have added some extras to complete your expensive taste set. Enjoy and God bless you, my soapy sister, Megan. Thank you, love. I greatly appreciate that. How pretty is that card? I love that green. Look at that. Megan has just beautiful stuff, and I'm always in love with it. And this is actually my first time ordering with Megan, because I had just been waiting for this one. But look at that, I got a goodie. Yummy, 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 yummy to my tummy. I love goodies. Let's see what this one. Soap sample afternoon tea. Let's check this out. I doubt I'll be able to open this one without tearing. Yep, I just tore it. Let's check this out. Afternoon tea. Oh, that is nice. It's like an herbal tea. Oh, that is nice. It's not strong, it's not very earthy, but it has a tea scent. Very nice. Very, very nice. I'm going to set that to the side so I can check that video out. Love the green. Oh, Megan. I almost ordered this. This is Creamy Honey and Shea Butter Body Wash. Oh my word. And it's done in the expensive taste. Thank you so much. This is one of the gifts that she put in. Oh, that smells so good. The fragrance oil that she uses, a long time ago I had gotten a soap and fell in love with the soap, and the person went out of business making it. And when I realized that the expensive taste was this particular fragrance oil, I wanted it so bad, and then Megan had sold out, and because of some European issues, getting that fragrance oil has been difficult. And but I was patient and I was waiting. So, oh, thank you so much for this gift. Love it. This is Expensive Taste Cream Pot Body Lotion. Ooh. Look at that shimmer, guys. This smells so good. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Sorry about that, guys. I had alarm set. But look how beautiful that is. Nice, and it's not sticky at all. Very nice. Oh, that smells so good. Thank you so much for the gifts. I'm loving it. Loving it, loving it, loving it. Oops, I got something on it. So very, very cute. This is, oh, also, I'll come back to this one. These are huge, Megan. It's her boxes. Very cute. I need to know where you get your boxes made. These are very, very cute. They're more sturdier than the ones that I have. And they seem to be wider. Let's open this up, guys. This will be going in my shower immediately. Look at that. How pretty is that? Oh, that smells so good. Look at the texture on the top, the detail, the mica swirl. So pretty. Great color choices. Oh, love it. Look at that. That's huge, guys. That's bigger than my bar. That is huge. I think this may be the size for the new mold that I got. Very nice. I mean, this is, let's see if it says how many ounces. 6 to 8 ounces. That is huge. Look how big that is compared to my palm. I want to say that's probably bigger than Julie's. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. Love that smell. Great ingredients. Very nice. That goat's milk's gonna make it nice and creamy. Okay, this is also one of my favorite scents. Also, I have a lot of favorite scents, as you can tell. But Bath and Body Works years ago, I don't know if they still have it, had a fig and brown sugar, and this smells almost exactly like it. I mean, very, very close. Look at the size of that bar. That is a huge bar. And at such good prices. Look at that. I love that glitter on top. Oh, that smells so good. But what I was saying is Bath and Body Works had a, I think it's fig and brown sugar or brown sugar and fig. And they may still have it. And it's really, really, really nice scent. I love how she's got those even beveled marks. She must use a beveler because I can never get my marks that even. But that is a beautiful bar of soap. Very big. Look at the size of that. That is huge. That's almost 2 fingers width. So that's about, you could tell I'm a hairdresser. I measure with my fingers. So that's about 1.25 inches, almost 1.25 inches. Almost 1.25 inches. Very nice. Very, very nice. Thank you, Megan. I greatly appreciate the goodies. Guys, you can find Megan on Instagram. You can find her on YouTube. Just everywhere, guys. Make sure you go check her out. Her Facebook is The Butterbean Shop. Her Instagram is @TheButterbeanShop. And I will list all her information down below. Her website is thebutterbeanshop.com. So guys, go check her out. She has a beautiful selection of items. And these items, thank you so much, Megan, because I was looking at them. But I'm kind of limiting my spending right now because my dog is having to have some treatments. And my dog comes first. So What a beautiful thing. Thank you guys. Thank you, Megan. And y'all have a blessed day, and thank you so much for watching, and God bless.